To see our changes to the database, to see the data that was saved, we can query the database to get data. And that's, of course, also a common task. You very often, of course, want to not just save data, but you also want to fetch data to then display it on a page, or in this case, to see it in a console. And to get data, we also can leverage this model feature Django gives us. For saving, we instantiated the class and called save on the instance. For fetching data, for getting data, we use the class name itself, so with a uppercase B at the beginning, my class name here. And on that class, there is a static attribute, a static field, which we can now access, and that's the objects field. Now, we didn't define that, but again, it exists because we inherit from the model class. So that objects field is a field added by Django. And that is now a field which, again, actually points at an object with a lot of built-in methods defined by Django. For example, there is an all method. This all method will get us all the data, all the books stored in the database. So if I hit enter, I get back a so-called query set, and you see that in the end, this is a list with 2 items. Now, it's a bit cryptic what we see here, but we see that there are 2 items in there, which kind of makes sense because I did save 2 books before. Now, maybe we would like to see something more useful down there, and for that, we can actually go back to our class and change something there. So let's do that next.